Hello everyone and Namaste. I came here today to share one of the most important points to choose a direct selling company. To start with, I will give you a secret today which you can share with your team, with also your consumers. 3P system. First P stands for profile of the company. When you are choosing a company to connect with, you should always look profile of the company. What is consisting of the profile of the company? It consists how the company is doing as well as the leadership. As you know, Atomy is running 10 years of business, and last year in 2019, the sales number was $1.3 billion. $1.3 billion if we convert to Indian rupees, considering the exchanging rate nowadays 75 rupees, then the total amount is coming 9,750 crores Indian rupees, which is lot of amount. One factor is the sales number. Second one is how we are working. Means currently Atomy has 14 different branches and we are preparing to launch in India. So it has a stable network in all 14 countries. Apart from that, we are preparing also for the other countries. You can also see the leadership of Atomy. Our chairman Han Gil Park currently is a president of Korea DSA, and he is a strong leader, as we can see. So the profile wise, Atomy is very good. In 2019, Atomy was ranked by the World Federation of DSA is 11th number with the sales of $1.3 billion. So you can see how strong Atomy is. Profile also includes how is the training programs. Last year in 2019, Atomy has run 3,816 seminars all over the world. These seminars include one-day seminar, success seminar. So you can see that how strong foundations we are having as a profile. Second P is products. After looking at the profile, you should always see how are the products. If the company has really products or not. Of course, we are having 400 products in Korea and we are preparing to launch here in India some of the products. Among these products, you have to always see how is the quality. As you know, we have a very big tagline, absolute quality with the absolute price. With a masstige way, means prestige product, mass way we produce. So we call masstige. Someone can ask, why don't you prepare a very cheap product? As I mentioned, that we don't compromise with the quality. We always try to have the highest quality with the cheaper price. That's why masstige. Take an example of our toothpaste. Our toothpaste 200 grams with propolis. MRP is approximately 400 rupees. Go to the market, try to check with the propolis 200 grams, how much is the price. So that level, with that quality, it is very difficult to find the competitors.
Dental cavities, removal of bad breath. With Propolis Shield for your stronger and whiter teeth. Atomy toothpaste.
So whenever you are choosing, you have to focus how are the products of that company. If a company has a nice profile as well as products, but if the plan is not good, of course it will not make you successful. So company's plan is one of the most important part. If you see Atomy's plan, it is a most righteous as well as well balanced plan, where 35% of our sales amount is distributed to all our distributors. This 35% of our sales amount consists 44% of general commissions, 20% of mastership bonus, and 6% of education commissions. So this 35% we distribute to our members, and this is why well balanced. If we share more to our distributor, then company cannot survive, and we want to give you maximum. So our chairman Hanvil Park found out, he established such a nice plan for you, so that we would be win-win. So as you can see, plan is such an important part. So whenever you are choosing a company, 3P: profile, products, and plan. You have to consider a company with 3 aspects. Then you choose. And if we consider, Atomy is one of the best positions to choose and to work with it. That's why we say the 10 years of dreams achieved and 100 years of dreams to come. Why 100 years? Because your membership can be transferred to your son or daughter, and your son or daughter's membership can be transferred to your grandson or granddaughter. So this consists 100 years. I wish your success whichever company you join. But if you join in Atomy, definitely with the 3P as I mentioned, your success will come definitely to your life. Not only to your life, maybe your son's or daughter's life, and again grandson or granddaughter's life. So thank you for listening to me. I will be coming again and again with new informations. Till then, be healthy, be happy, and thank you. Namaste.